How you doing? Oh, oops, yeah. I'm gonna try this angle here. Is this better than usual? Usually I'm like this, and let's try this one. How you doing? Okay, so it's by the clock on the wall. It's 11:05 on Wednesday. So I could just sit here and absolutely just drink for another 55 minutes, and it'll actually be Thursday. But happy new comic book day. It's what's the date today? It's the 25th. You're going to see this on the 26th. Always, so you see this on Thursdays at 7 o'clock. It's the train wreck, as you can tell. And I want to apologize I wasn't on last week. But I do have the books here. They've been sitting in the bag. I haven't looked at them, so we're going to show them off today. I want to thank everyone who actually watches this channel. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate that. I think there'll be probably about 20 people, but hey, thank you very much. I'm taking it with a smile. So, all right, let's do this. Okay, so this bag here. Oh wait, hold on. Let's do this the right way. I have my books. I have my. I got my Comic Tom one mystery mail call for May. I got my bling bling. Let's make sure it's all set up. And make sure you can hear the sounds. Okay. I got my bags and bullets. I got my whiskey. And I have you. Let's do this. All right. Here's last week's. Let's do this first, too. All right, cool. All right. See? I'm ready to go. Okay, so here's last week's. Okay, let's check it out. All right, so not last week. Was it last week? No, not last week. The week before, Grimm came out, right? And I showed you I picked up 2 books for the cover, right? It was a Lee cover, and I just show you the cover, but I want to make sure I get it right. Oh, Prison. It was a Prison cover, right? Well, last week they had the nice shiny cover. I'm a sucker for a shiny cover. It's the same story. It's shiny. So I picked it up. I did read it though. Just so I do try to read my books. It's a little good, it's a pretty good spin on the Grim Reaper, right? If you haven't read it, it's been out for a couple of weeks, so I can so there's multiple Grim Reapers, not just one. And the drunk driver, he hits he dies. He steals her sickle. What kind of guy steals a sickle from death? So I would love to do that. But anyways, so she tries to get the sickle back, and guess what? She crossed over and now she can be seen. And at the end, the cops put her in cuffs. It's a great take. I'm gonna pick up the second one. It's a great take, and we all think that there's only one Green Reaper, right? He comes around, knock, knock, knock. He's got a hood, he's got a sickle, but there's multiples. That's a good, that's a good twist. I want to see where it goes. All right, let's get this done. Did you see it enough? And did I tell you? It's shiny. Okay. Shit, let's bag this puppy. I'm going to put it there with the other, well, let me, I'll put it there. Okay. Last week I picked up Thor 25. Banner of War. I'm not picking up the Hulks. So I got a feeling I'm going to be missing a lot of pieces of this. I mean, I get a feeling. And this has got different stories in there. So, Hulk versus Thor. Banner of War, Part 2 of 5. I'm not going to get it all of them, so I'm going to try my best to keep up with the story, but I'm not going to pick up the Hulks because I didn't pick up the Hulks before. And those days of me trying to keep up with the crossovers, they're gone. Ain't happening. Let's see. There you go. And, is that Odin? Okay. Anyways, so I haven't read this one yet. I'm not keeping up with the Hulks. I'm probably going to miss out on half the story since there's only 5 issues. But I'm okay with that. And but I'm still picking up Thor. Donny Cates is still writing it. I'm enjoying it. But I ain't picking up the banners. Sorry, ain't going to happen. So let's get this done. Those days are over. It's one of the reasons why you got the wall of flame over there. Wall of flame, because they have boxes and boxes and boxes of flammable paper that have some value. But if my house went up on fire, it's because of that, I think. I don't know. Okay, so let's put this over here. Okay. Now, if you know me personally, I'm kind of odd. Hold on. Yes, I'm kind of odd. And when I went to my, when I saw this issue, I said, I went to my LC, Jeff at my LCS, which is Time Capsule in Seekonk, Mass. I said, and I pulled up multiple copies because they had different covers. And I asked him, which cover is me? He gave me this one. Come on! That's funny. That's awesome. I mean, I think he's more bulkier than he should be. Don't get me wrong. Because you saw the others before, he was a little slim, tight, and he had a bubble ass, but so did Barbara. I was more into Barbara's ass than this one, but okay. So, but, yeah, when your LCS says that one is you, oh, hold on. No, this one. When that one is you, you got to take it and laugh. Okay. Take it and laugh. Take it and, never mind. Okay, I told you that was weird. Okay, so, we had Flash in the last one. Now we have Barbara. I'm assuming that's Barbara. So we'll see how it goes. I don't know if this is going with the same story as before because Robin the Boy Wonder. I'm confused now. Alfred's in this one. This isn't going with the same storyline, or is it? Oh, you got Bruce Wayne there, and I assume that's Ace. Oh yeah, it is. It is. It's going with the same storyline. It is. All right. I'm enjoying this. Taylor's doing. I think Taylor's doing a great job on this one. I really do. The writing's great. I'm enjoying the art. And I think that's funny. I do not apologize to anyone for the way I am. But I think that's hilarious. Okay, hold on. I'll just move my... I think that's hilarious. I do. Okay. I apologize to no one. Okay. Let's put this over there. All right. Next one from last week. Wolverine patch. You know, I know it's number 2. And number 1, I enjoyed number 1. I thought it was great. So I picked up number 2. I don't know if they had different covers, but this is the only one they had at my shop, so I picked it up. He's out in the jungle. He's got his butt kicked, but of course he heals. So what are you gonna do, right? As you can tell, okay, yeah, Larry Hannah's writing it. That's what I was trying to catch up to. So it's good. It's got an old feel. To me, it gets an older feel to it. So but I'm enjoying it. It's number 2. We'll see how it goes from here. I don't got much to say about it other than I enjoyed it. Now, if he had his claws out and his butt up in a 3-legged dog underneath him, maybe I would have a little more to say about it. But he doesn't have all that. So he's just in. He looks like he's in Casablanca, and he's out in the jungle. So last but not least, Batman in the Night. I'm enjoying this one because it's a little bit of like, I mean, Sadowski does it, as you can tell if you can't read it from. Hold on, can you see that Sadowski does it? See. Oh, there you go. Okay. The art's great. I like it gives you a little history. You know, the years you don't know about what happened to him, or different stories. I mean, this is another story of what happens in the in-between years to become, between his parents getting shot and the pearls on the ground and Batman, and we know. So, I mean, the art is enjoyable. The write is enjoyable. So I'm picking it up. 5 out of 10. I'm halfway through. Wait for the trade. If you haven't got it yet, wait for the trade. Sorry, I'm not very, don't have a lot of details. This is a train wreck, of course. Okay. That's it. That's last week. That's what you missed. Are you so happy that you saw this one? Okay. It weighs a ton. This is this week's. I got my books. I got my bling bling. I got my boards and backings. Let's go for it. Okay, here we go. Ooh, you can't see that. That's just another show. Okay. Bloodstained Teeth. I enjoyed number 1. I did. Great concept. I enjoyed it. I love the art in it. I love the color. The color makes the art. It does. The color in this book makes the art. The art's good. Don't get me wrong. But the flashes of the bright yellows, the purples, the reds, makes the art. And the writing was great. The concept is great. There are vampires from the beginning, and there's the new ones. And the new ones, they shouldn't be there. And there was a guy for money making new ones because the new ones want to live forever. They're celebrities. They're people with money. They want to live forever, and So it's like some of the old ones saying, we're going to take you out unless you take them out because we don't want them. And so now he has to go back and do it. There's more to it, and I'm just giving you a brief understanding of the book. But Christian Ward is doing a great writing. Reynolds is doing great ink. I mean, not ink. I apologize. Great drawing. And I assume Moore is doing the ink. I don't know, but damn it, this looks awesome. It does. Honest. It's only number 2. Go get number 1. Honest. And follow. I mean, what is it going to be like? It's Image. It's going to be what? 5, 6 issues? Pick it up. Or you can wait. Get the trade. But either way, this is a pickup. It is. Oh, no, I can put it together. Okay. Next one. Hold on, please. One moment, please. Okay. Ooh. Moon Knight, number 11. Enjoying the writing. It's Lightfield cover. But anyways. The Killing Time. So it's another arc. So I haven't even looked at it. So Tiger is in it. I haven't really looked at this. So let's look at the arc together. No, it's the same artist. All right. The art is very good. I enjoyed the art. Not that that's Legos, but that's what I enjoy. New story arc. I've been enjoying this book. I really have. I mean, okay, everybody's hopping on Moon Knight, but I've liked I like Moonlight. Oh my God, Moon Knight for a long time, and I appreciate his book, the character, and I've been picking it up. And now is a big thing about it. You know, he had the show and everything. So I'm enjoying the read. I really am. I can't tell you what's going on in it right now, but I will later on. Maybe next week. All right. Look, it's number 11. I don't know if there's trades from each arc, story arc. I don't know. But I'm enjoying the book. If LCS has back issues, pick them up. Honest. I mean, it's not the original storyline. They tweak it a little bit. You know what I'm saying? But I'm still enjoying it. It's still a great read. Lightfield is doing the cover on this one. And as you can tell, Lightfield is not doing it. You can't see any feet. Look, he's an amputee. Look at that. Just like done. I'm surprised he has fingers because it went. He's got no feet. Poor guy. He's got to hobble around. Why can't the guy practice on making a foot? I don't know. I mean, he can draw a head. He can draw an arm, a cape, even a moon. Practice on making a foot. I can tell you. I don't know. Hey, practice. It's a foot. Other people make feet. Why can't you? Next one. Everybody's reading this one. Department of Truth. Number 18. Great read. I don't know what to tell you. Everybody reads this book. If you haven't read this book yet, get the trade. Tinian's doing this one too. I say that too because he's doing a whole bunch of other ones. But it's a great read. I don't, everybody knows about it. Everybody knows it's a great read. Pick it up. Buy the trade. Then if you get, if you don't buy the floppies, just buy the trade. But it's a great read. Makes you think. It really does. Next one. Next one is a great series. Great writer. Philadelphia. Number 22. It's a great read. The art. Come on. And if you're a student of American history, you have to pick this up. I just want to let you know is that's George Washington right there. Look at him, slick. Look at it. He cut his hair. He doesn't have the locks. He's not on a quarter. Still wearing white though. But anyways, this is a great book. It's a great story. It's 22, so guaranteed there's trades. Pick them up. Everybody's on this bandwagon. They have to be. Ronnie Bonds, great writing. Alexander, great art, as I just showed you. You have to pick it up. Even if you don't like vampires, if you just like American history, you're going to pick this up. It's a must. This is a must. Pick it up. Don't fight it. Just do it. You know why? Because Olaf told you to. There you go. There you go. He told you on the train wreck. Pick this up. Here's another one everybody knows about. Did I tell you? Did I tell you? This is number 23. It's been going on for almost 2 years. People love this book, and they should. Great writing, great idea. Pick up the trades. I don't know, if you haven't picked this up yet, where have you been? If you knew, pick up the trades. Wonderful read. The art fits the story. It does. The art fits the story. I haven't read this issue. I read the last month's issue. Pick it up. Honest. It's a great idea. Great story. Pick up the trades. You're missing out. Sorry, you are. This book is so good. People are getting tattoos with that thing on them. I've seen it. They're getting these tattoos. They're going to go through. This book is so good. They're going to go through life with that on the back of their leg. So don't listen to me. Go check out their leg. Tattoos. Really? It's going to be a great read. Next. Robin. Right now, dude, doing a story arc, Shadow Wars. This is number 7. I've been on the fence on this one, back and forth. So we'll see. We'll see about this one. But I'm still reading for it. And Williamson's doing a great job. Cruz is doing a great ink. Great ink. I say that again. Great art. as you can see. Hold on. Let me get it back. Guess what? No. But I remember, like, in the 90s when this came out, these characters, bring them back. I don't know. Anyways. Oh, Ivy. Look at Ivy. Okay. I'm on the fence on this one. I'm still picking it up. But if I had a good push, I would stop picking it up. But I'm still doing it. So we'll see how it goes. On the fence. Okay, Adventure Man. The art's awesome. The reader's great. I still say her father is the original Adventure Man. They haven't done it yet. If they have, I missed it. But I still say her father is the main one. I wish they would just do it. But it's an enjoyable book. Pick up the trade. Great art. I mean, Dobson's. I mean, you can see that. I know it's upside down. Great concept. Pick it up. I still say her father was the original guy. I'm telling you, it looked just like him. I'm probably totally wrong. Usually I am, but I'm telling you, it looked just like him. I'm serious. Get the trade. Get the trade. Okay, this next one. Hold on, I gotta go back. Okay, let me put this one here. Okay. 15. Something fell. Sorry, I thought something fell. Okay, so yeah, here we go. Ready? This is crossover 13. Cost $3.99. I picked this up 2 weeks ago, but I wanted this cover. It's a little old-fashioned, you know what I'm saying? A little retro. What I ended up getting was the coaster. This is like a coaster. It's like where you put your cups, right? If you saw my last video, you know, it took a lot of design for this one. You know, if you get a blank page, you put 3 cups, make 3 circles, put it red, you make squiggly lines, you make them black and gray, boom, you got paid for a cover. This is a cover. Look at that. There's some work in that. What is that? So I had to pick this cover up because this cover is awesome. It's a little retro, a little rock and roll. Oh, it's up here. It's not on the top. Oh, turn around. Come on, this looks like. I want to sample. I want to go to a brewery and sample some of your beers, and they give you a little cups there. Here you go. That's not a cover. That's something you put your glass on so you don't mock up the table. That's a cover. Oh, let me. Oh, there you go. Just saying. All right, next one. This is an odd take on the Punisher, number 3. Odd take. Really. It's odd. You get a little flashback of his childhood. He's a ninja? Really? I thought he was a cop. This kid, I thought he was like a cop. His family got killed in a park. That's it. I'm done. I'm going to kill everybody who killed my family in a park. Now he's a ninja. What are you going to do? He got his wife back. She's a little dinged up, but he's a cop. Right? Am I wrong? He was a cop? Family got killed in a park? What makes him a ninja? What makes him great with a sword? He's been killing people with guns forever. Now, he's awesome with a sword. I don't know. But I'm enjoying it. He's having... I went through this real quick. He's the hand. He's the main person. He's got a sword. Look, hold on, you can't see because of my fat head is there. He's got the sword, and blood, and he's got ninjas all over the place. And how is that Punisher? I don't understand that, but I'm curious. I'm going to find out. He's supposed to have a gun. Bang, bang, explosion. That's not Punisher. I'm sorry. It isn't. I don't know. But who am I? I'm the train wreck. I know nothing. I don't understand this. Okay. So I'll put that over there. Honestly, it makes no sense. Okay. Just because you're a killing machine doesn't mean you're a ninja. Okay, here we go. Devil's Reign Omega. The main cover had both Daredevils now. But I thought this was different. I picked it up. As you can tell, I'm a little different. So, I guess this is... Oh, hey, check this out. I didn't realize that. Oh, no, this way. You got to start. It's the guy. You got him, Chip, doing something there, and you got Ronnie Barnes from Philadelphia writing a story. I didn't realize that. How many stories are in this thing? Let's see. Clearinghouse is another. Jim Zub. Hey, Zub, how you doing? So there's like 3 stories in here? Pretty cool. You realize that? Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, you do. You heard it here right, first, folks, right here. There's 3 stories in here. There you go. And I've been on over half an hour. I can't believe this. Okay, I got 2 more. There you go. Batman Beyond the White Knight. I've been enjoying this one. It's a take with Batman Beyond. You got Bruce Wayne. He broke out of jail. He sees the Joker guy. I think it's all in his head. Nobody can see them. I'm enjoying it. And, I've been getting every one of these since day one. So I'm enjoying the writing from Murphy. Stewart's been doing the art. I think. Has he? Because that looks like Murphy. Yeah, it's Murphy doing the art. Script, yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, I'm sorry. Stewart's doing the color. There you go. But I'm enjoying it. I enjoyed the last ones. People have been like, I like what I like, and I tell you what I like. I've been liking this. So there you go. And Barbara is pissed. She's pissed. If you read the last one, she's pissed. If you haven't, you better pick it up. Oh, look at Batman. He's so old. You're gonna love it. But I'm not giving anything away, except the barcode, which is on the back. Okay, here we go. All right, let me bag it. Got one more. Then we'll do Tom's Comic Tom's mystery mail call. Okay, last but not least, Deathstroke Inc. number 9. This is also part of the last thing on the Shadow. What is it? Shadow Wars, or whatever. Yeah, the Shadow Wars. This is number 6. It went with it just by luck. It goes that little mini series within the series crossover went into another book that I get. I'm enjoying it, though. What is that? Spawn? What is that character's name? One moment, please. Hold on. I'm having a brain fart right here. I almost stopped getting this book until that, what is it, Respawn? What the hell is that character's name that got shot? Is it Respawn? Let's say it's Respawn. Probably wrong. When he's a clone. Now he's a clone of Deathstroke and Rob. Really? How many times are they going to use that? What was it? Superboy was a little clone about Lex Luthor and Superman. Really? Once I saw that, is it Respawn? It has to be Respawn. It has to be. It's stuck in my head. It's stuck in my head. It has to be. Once that kid, once Respawn took off his freaking hood and he's an albino Robin who's a part of, honest, I was ready to drop this book like a hot potato. Honest to God. Well, I want to see how this title gets past this little crossover series. If it doesn't make me happy, I'm going to forget about it. Okay. Another one gone. Okay, let's get past this. Oh no, I'm going to need this, but okay, let's get past it for a second. Okay, here we go. I got a mystery mail call from May. Oh. Any more? Okay, that's work. It's a 11:45, and I'm getting text from work. All right, here we go. I got a mystery mail call from May. You want to see what I got? Because I want to see what I got. I can't open it until I show you guys. So here we go. We're back to split screen. I got the cutest knife in the world. It's blunt. You gotta shop it. Okay. All right, so let's open it. Hold on. We got the bag. Let's see what I got here. All right, let's do it this way, since this fell out. Okay, so Geek Responsibly. Okay, so this is that little postcard of what do you get, right? So there's a lot of different covers. Put this up here so I got to read. Okay, So you got a The Boys #7 reprint here. Herogasm reprint here. Misfits Playhouse here. So the 3 covers here, 3 covers here, 2 covers here, and that's the big key, which guarantee I don't have. Okay, all right, so there you go. Little village, what's his name? Village, I don't know what his name is. Okay, here we go. Ready? Here we go. Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. And guess what? It's not the special cover. All right, this is Misfit Clubhouse. This is all ages. They started doing this because they want to be able to give a book that's all ages, which is cool. Next one, ready? Oh, it's a print. There you go. It's $15.99 out of 2,100. There you go. Well, I think this month is really strong on the boys storyline here. There you go. So that's the Herogasm #1 reprint. Soldier Boy, the first Soldier Boy. There you go. Should I open it? I'm gonna open it. I'm curious. Can I open it without ruining that mature tag on? No. I don't. Okay, screw it. It's not worthwhile. There you go. Which is cool. Don't get me wrong. The others were black and white, all black and white, and all black and white except for the eyes. Whoa. Okay, so I got this one. This is the Boys #7 reprint. The Stormfront. Okay, this one. Next one is Dancing with the Dragon. Hey. This is the sequel to Dancing with Wolves. What do you want? It's almost 12 o'clock at night. Also put out by Scout, #3 exclusive. I'm telling you. This is the sequel to Dancing with Wolves. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Last but not least, Alpha Flight, Fear Itself, #2 of 8. And so, like I said, I didn't get the key. That's it. 44, almost 44 minutes. I did 2 weeks of books and a mystery mail call. I think I did pretty good. Oh, hold on. All right, so thanks everyone. I appreciate it. You actually wasted almost, 53, 54, 55, 56, 7, 8, 9. You spent 44 minutes with me, and I appreciate that, and I thank you for that. You saw what I got, and as usual, don't have a lot of information. 80% of the books I couldn't tell you who did the art or who did the writing. So, but that's how I am, and I appreciate you appreciating that, and I thank you for it. So, in 10 minutes, it'll be Thursday. You'll see this, and it's Thursday, 7 o'clock. That's when the train wreck is. So I appreciate that. And everyone have a great night. No. Yeah. 7 o'clock. Yeah. Everyone have a great Thursday night. Oh. Later.